Good day, grade 7.
I am your teacher, Marie.
Good day, grade 7. Now we're going to discuss a new topic. Let us enjoy watching while learning.
Real number system. Focus, rational number. Man first encounter with numbers has something to do with counting. At that time, number means you could count, like toys, candies, fingers, and a lot more. How accurately can you locate rational number between two integers, perhaps, or between any two numbers? In math, a number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. Activity 1. Let's define. Given n is equal to the -4, -3, -1, 0, 1/2, 2.5, 3, 4.75, 5, 6, and 3/4. From set n or given n, list the number that are positive integers, negative integers, fractions, and decimal numbers. How did you determine the following numbers? Real number system. First, we have numbers that are used in counting objects. Comprise the set of natural numbers or its symbols n. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. This number and 0 comprise the set of whole number or its symbols w. We have an examples 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on are numbers which is whole number. From natural numbers, their negatives and zeros comprise the set of integers or its symbol z. Examples -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. A number that can be expressed as ratio of two integers such as termination decimal, repeating decimal, and fractions belong to the set of rational number or its symbols q. Example 1/5, 0.001 or 0.1 in the thousandth, -0.1 tenth, and 5. Another we have 1/4. Another type of real numbers is the non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Belong to the set of irrational numbers. Example, the square root of 2, pi, the square root of 99, cube root of 3. Put a check mark under each subset of real number that apply for each given number. Examples 65. It is real number, then under of rational number. It also be integers and whole number, and those are neutral numbers. -21 is under of real number, rational numbers, and integers. 17th to and 2/5 we have real numbers and it is also rational numbers. The square root of 18, it is real number and it is irrational number. Next, 17.75, it is real number and it is also rational numbers. Activity 2. Let's locate. Determine whether the following numbers are rational number or not. Then, locate or plot on the number line. How can you determine which is the lowest value among the given numbers or the highest value? Order of real number. Any rational number can be expressed as a terminating decimal or repeating non-terminating decimal. In the given activity 2, you locate and plot the number on the number line. At the point, you can easily arrange the number in ascending or descending order. For ascending order from the number line, copy the number from left to right. So we have -2, -2/3, 1 and 11, the cube root of 4, and pi. For descending order, from the number line, copy the number from right to left. So we have pi, the cube root of 4, 1/11, -2/3, -2. How can you arrange the number without the use of number line? Without using the number line, a real number can be also arranged in ascending or descending orders. All number can be changed first to decimal form before arranging them. Consider the set below and arrange them in descending order. We have here 4/5, -0.84, the square root of 25, negative the square root of 6, 3.27, and 18. So let us have the equivalent form of this given example in decimal form. So 4/5 is equal to 0.8. The square root of 25 is also equal to 5 or 5.0. The square root of 6 is equal to -2.45. And then we have the decimal form. So we have 0.8, -0.84, 5, -2.45, 3.27, and 18. Therefore, the set of number in descending order or decreasing order is 18, the square root of 25, 3.27, 4/5, and negative the square root of 6. Another example, consider the set below and arrange them in ascending order. 7/3, -3.16, the square root of 12, negative the square root of 16, 0.75. In decimal form, 2.33, -3.16, 3.46, -4, and 0.75. Therefore, the set of the numbers in ascending order is -4, -3.16, 0.75, 2.33, 3.46. Example number 3. Consider the set below and arrange them in ascending order. Negative the square root of 36, 2/5, the square root of 3, -1.27, 2.66. In decimal form, -6, 0.4, 1.73, 1.27, 2.66. Therefore, the set of number in ascending order is -6, -1.27, 0.4, 1.73, and 2.66. You have noticed that some of our numbers, especially in decimal point, we have a number which is there is a number line above a number. It means the number which is repeated. Activity 3. Drop me on the line. Show the given integers by plotting on the number line. How did you locate each number? The absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0. You write the absolute value of the number by using two vertical bars. Example, we have the absolute value of -5. We can read as the absolute value of -5. Use the number line to find the absolute value. So we have here, -5 is 5 units from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of -5 is equal to 5. The absolute value of +5. Use the number line to find the absolute value. So, the absolute value of 5 is 5 units from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of +5 is equal to 5. Another example, find the absolute value and compare the two absolute value. Number 1, we have the absolute value of +8 and the absolute value of -19. Number 2, the absolute value of -12 and the absolute value of +3. Now, number 3, the absolute value of -10 and the absolute value of +10. And last, the absolute value of -24 and the absolute value of -4. 8 is less than 19. Therefore, the absolute value of +8 is less than the absolute value of -19. 12 is greater than 12. 12 is greater than 3. Therefore, the absolute value of -12 is greater than the absolute value of +3. 10 is equal to 10. Therefore, the absolute value of -10 is equal to the absolute value of +10. Negative times 24 is equal to -24, which is less than 4. Therefore, the absolute value of -24 is less than the absolute value of -4. Thank you. Enjoy watching while learning. This is your teacher, Miss Marimar F. Figalan.